All right, so in this lecture, we're going to be going over the difference between the eighth note straight and the eighth note swing feel. So a lot of different songs you'll hear, they're either going to be eighth note or 16th note subdivided. And then within that eighth note subdivision, you can either play eighth note straight or eighth note swing. So here's the difference between the straight and the swing feel. So if we have a metronome here, right, each of these are beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And if you just play the eighth notes very straight, that's the eighth note straight. So it'd be like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now if you play the swing feel, it's going to feel like this. See how it kind of swings and swings and swings? It's a different feel. And so with the eighth notes, they're all just, eighth note. That's how it'd be written out. And the swing feel is written out the same way, but it might be, the word swing might be written at the top, right? So it's going to look the same. But at the top left of any song, it's going to explain the feel of the song. And a lot of times if it's swung in the top left corner of a song, it'll be written swung or swing, right? So how it actually should be written out, if you think about the timing of the swing, a lot of people write it out as a triplet, and triplet is 3 per beat, right? So it'd be triplet, 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 right? And then the first 2 parts of the triplet would be the first eighth note, and then the second part of the triplet, or the last third, would be the other eighth note. So it'd be like triplet, 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 right? So that's how people say the swing is, right? So triplet, 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 triplet. Another way you can think of it, and this is kind of a good way to get the feel of a swing, is slice of pizza. So you say slice of pizza, slice of pizza. Just the natural sort of phonetics of the word, the phrase slice of pizza kind of creates a natural swing. So slice of pizza, slice of pizza, slice of pizza, slice of pizza, slice. Okay, so that's the difference between the eighth note straight and the eighth note swing. And you'll have different songs that have different feel. So for example, Brick by Ben Folds is going to have an eighth note straight feel. Love Song by Sarah Bareilles is going to have more of a swing feel, so it's going to sound like this. That's it for this lecture on the difference between the eighth note straight and the eighth note swing. I'll see you in the next one.